Cordillera Dance. For the people of Cordillera, dance is a vital expression of community life, performed during rituals and ceremonies. It is used to honor ancestors and gods, seek healing, ensure success in a war, and protect against misfortune or natural disasters. Dance also plays a role in ensuring good harvest, favorable weather, and marking significant life milestones. Banga, Uyaoy, Lumagen, Manmanok, Bendayan are the example of Cordillera dances. Bendayan dance. Bendayan is a circle dance popularly called Benjan of Ibaloy. This was long known as a dance to celebrate the arrival of successful headhunters. The circular movement of the dance symbolized unity and harmony among the Ibaloys. Now a part of every Benguet festivity, with the circle slowly giving way to other formations and interpretations, Bendayan is also performed with the festival hymn composed by Professor Macario Fronda during the Panagbenga Festival. Spanish-influenced dance. The Spanish colonization of the Philippines brought many Western influences including religion, social customs, dress, dance, and music. Jota Cagayan, Paypay de Manila, Abaruray, Jota Manilena, Pantomina are the example of Spanish-influenced dances. Pantomina. Pantomina is a beautiful and lively folk dance from the Bicol region of the Philippines. The dance is characterized by graceful and fluid movements that mimic the courtship and lovemaking of doves, which is why it is also known as the Dance of the Doves. The dance typically involves a male dancer attempting to impress and please a female dancer through a series of graceful and flirtatious movements. Pantomina is not only a beautiful dance but also a cultural treasure that reflects the unique traditions and values of the Bicol region. Tribal dance. Tribal dances are performed by indigenous groups and differ across regions reflecting the distinct traditions and culture of each tribe. Additionally, some tribal dances are believed to have purposes in healing or in establishing communication with the spiritual realm. Malakas at Maganda, Binaylan, Dugso, Pagobo Rai Cycle, Kadal Tahaw are the example of tribal dances. Kadal Tahaw. The Kadal Tahaw is a traditional Filipino dance from Lake Cebu South to Tabato, performed by the Tiboli tribe. The dance features movements and attire that mimic the Tahaw bird with gestures representing the bird's flight and hops. It is performed to celebrate and welcome a plentiful harvest during the planting and harvesting seasons.